Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video serves as a beginner's guide to understanding the basics of options trading. Options are explained as financial instruments that involve contracts between two investors, allowing them to speculate on the price of an asset without owning it. The example of a Tesla bull and Tesla bear entering into an options contract is used to illustrate this concept. In options trading, there are two types of participants, option buyers and option sellers. Option buyers have the right but not the obligation to honor the contract, while option sellers have an obligation to comply if the option buyer chooses to exercise their right. Call options and put options are introduced as the two main categories of options, depending on whether the investor is bullish or bearish. The concept of options premium is explained, which is a non-adjustable and non-returnable amount paid by the option buyer to the option seller. The premium compensates the option seller for bearing the risk associated with the contract. The premium's calculation is influenced by factors like intrinsic value, time value, and implied volatility. The video emphasizes that option buyers have an unlimited upside and a defined downside limited to the premium paid, while option sellers have an unlimited downside and an upside limited to the premium received. The ease of trading options in today's digitized financial world is highlighted with options contracts being executed quickly on most online brokerages. The video briefly touches on the importance of having a trading system or strategy when trading options. It mentions the use of quantitative factors like charts and data or qualitative factors like sentiments to predict price movements. Risk management is stressed as a crucial aspect of options trading, with a recommendation not to risk more than 2% of one's capital in a single trade. The video concludes by encouraging beginners to start small practice and build a skill set to become a profitable options trader over time. Overall, the video serves as a basic introduction to options trading, explaining key concepts and emphasizing the need for a systematic approach and risk management in this complex financial instrument. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.